Hey people, we're going on another adventure. We're going up Tom and Airidh, a wee hill behind Helensburgh, about 348 metres. Cracking views over the Arrochar Alps, down the Clyde towards Arrochar. We start here at the Rennie Mackintosh Hill House building in Helensburgh. Plenty of parking in here. You need to be out by 5 o'clock. You can't park in the street if you're going to be out longer. So let's get to it. Today I'm out with Odds and Pam.
Hi! Hi!
And we're heading up this way, and Amber of course.
Oh, you see David going right in at her lips. You need to tell it because we like.
This is part of Three Lochs Way. Takes you right across towards Aberfoyle and up the Duke's Pass, down to Loch Drunkie further on. And John Muirway also skips in about here. We're hoping to get a 2-day camp tomorrow and Sunday on that. That's over and up on the up behind Halden and Balloch side. And part of the path that leads to Burncrook's Reservoir. This is the Glenann Burn Cup and Ring Mark Stone. And that's her there. And at some point somebody put explosive in it and it broke into 4 pieces. They think it was done to actually clear the land for rough pasture or for building, but they weren't very successful. And they've been excavating this a number of occasions, found various bits and pieces. The cup and ring markings, according to this here, were carved around 4,000 years ago with the Neolithic and the Bronze Age communities. It can be seen in many parts of Britain, especially Scotland. Kilmartin Glen, I've been up at that one. It's near Loch Lomond. Excavated in 2015 with the North Clyde Archaeological Society. And we'll go over and have a wee look at it. And it's obviously been defaced in later times. Can't actually see any of the shadow there. Can't actually make out any of the cut and ring marks, but they're definitely on there somewhere. Well, if you pass this way, have a wee read yourself. Quite interesting. Now we're heading up this way. There's 2 or 3 different ways to go, but as the sun's out today, I'm going to take the open route.
Take my weight.
Pamela's doing a weight test on this swing before I got on it. This is the end of the fun bit, now we're going to the hill.
Give it a shot.
Audrey's happy it took Pamela's weight. Right. Right. Sit nice, you get your chicken.
It's a happy wee thing, yours. Then you get
Stumbling about like Manfredo. This was about halfway, a wee bit windy. Might be picking that up on camera. Cracking views already. Helensburgh, Craig and Dawn, car just in the distance. Loch Lomond over there. You might be able to just see out in the middle of the Clyde there, the sugar boat. It upturned and they never bothered salvaging it. Just going to head up the side of this forest now. A wee bit muddy in here, but it's okay. I've never tried going over into the field. Mainly because I've got a dog with me, but it's only 10 minutes and you're out the other side. A wee bit of a salt course. Nothing too difficult. Pamela's dinked her head on that log, so be careful. Audrey's away down a bog. And I don't know what's going to happen to me trying to hold this camera. Oh, down. That's worse. Me, I tried to jump onto that log and crack my head off that. Well, that's what happened to me. Tried to jump across onto a log. Cracked my head over the biggest overhanging tree on the whole path. What a clown. Well, that's a bad one.
Oh my God.
That's a concussion number.
Oh my God.
Just said into the camera, don't know what's going to happen to me. Bang! And just skimmed the top of me. That could have been a bad one. Still put me on my backside right enough. And Pamela's just going to film the result of that duck and dunk.
Right, let me see. Nice look, nice look. Right, here we go.
And we're just coming up on Tom and Airidh. Bit windy again as usual up the moors. We'll see if we can get her into a wee dip in the duck on the other side. Get a wee view of the Arrochar Alps. Stunning views of Arrochar Alps up here. We're on Tom and Airidh, 360 metres. Great views of the Arrochar Alps. Get Ben Reith, Kilkenny, the Brack, Bendonich, Cruciarach, the Cobbler, Ben Narnain, all the usual suspects. nice wee reservoir. It's run by the MOD. You are allowed in there, but there's a danger area over there in front of you. Yeah, we're going to take this path down before I kill myself. Avoiding this forest this time. You know what I miss? You can't go back down this way anyway. There's a semi-path, takes you back down to the hill house at an angle. I should be putting the camera off every time I hit an obstacle, but here goes. I made it. That's getting in.
I know.
This is coming down onto the Three Lochs Way path. Going gets a bit easier for you. Well, that's us just finishing up, folks, heading back to the car. If you liked this wee video, please subscribe, like and hit the notifications. Doesn't cost anything. I'll catch you on the next one.